Hello gardening and farming enthusiasts. Today we embark on a whimsical journey into the world of the white-crested black Polish hen, a poultry breed known for its unique and striking appearance. These birds possess distinct qualities that make them a captivating addition to the world of backyard flocks. But before we dive into this fascinating exploration, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights. The white-crested black Polish hen, often simply called the Polish hen, has a history that traces back to Eastern Europe, particularly Poland. They were bred for their distinctive appearance and have been cherished for centuries. These birds are celebrated for their striking crest of feathers on their heads. White-crested black Polish hens are medium-sized birds known for their elegant and unique appearance. They have glossy black plumage that provides a stark contrast to their striking white crests, which resemble a feathered hat or crown. Their beaks and legs are also black. To successfully raise white-crested black Polish hens, you'll need a well-maintained coop or shelter that offers protection from the elements. They are hardy birds but can be vulnerable to predators due to their limited vision caused by their crests. Providing clean water and a balanced diet is crucial for their well-being. White-crested black Polish hens are known for their calm and friendly temperament, making them excellent companions for other poultry breeds. They are often kept in mixed flocks where their unique appearance adds an element of charm to their poultry yard. While white-crested black Polish hens do lay eggs, they are not known for prolific egg production. Instead, they are primarily valued for their ornamental and decorative purposes. Their striking appearance and distinct crests make them a favorite among those seeking beautiful and unique birds for their backyard flocks. And there you have it, a glimpse into the whimsical world of the white-crested black Polish hen. These elegant and unique birds with a history rooted in Eastern Europe and a legacy of striking beauty. From their feather crests to their role as ornamental birds, they bring an air of enchantment to any poultry yard. If you found this exploration as fascinating as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned for more engaging species on our channel.